Hello and welcome to RC Birds, and thanks for stopping by. In this video I show you the area where I drive my RC cars most of the time, and many of my videos have been filmed. In this area I got grass and sand. You see the sand on the volleyball field. The meadow is framed by pedestrian walkways. On the right side we have tarmac, and on the left side we have a gravel path. This area is just for running around and have some fun with the car. There is not even a track. The hill on which I'm standing here right now is very great for an overlook. So let's walk around and have a closer look on this area. The sand our city uses for this volleyball field is denser than the sand on the playground. So it's great for driving, and the car will not get stuck in the sand. Of all things, it's raining today. The last days we had nice sunny autumn weather, but I had to work and no time. And I've been looking forward to film today. But you know, if you ever got a day off. So excuse me that this place is not showing its chocolate side. Here's a little soccer field where you can combine grass and dust driving. Especially it's funny when the weather is very good and the surface is dried out, so you get a lot of clouds of dust. In the background you see a tennis court. This might be more interesting for on-road cars, but you have to use a broom first before you can run your cars there. Up there you see the area which I prefer to drive with my crawler, but this will be another video in the next week. Now I'm going back into the forest. There is the second part of this video. There is a BMX track where I used to run my cars to. So now I'm going right into the forest. Right here is an area where are not so many trees, so you can pick up speed and throw around some leaves. Now we are at the main section of the BMX track, with hills and things. It makes a lot of fun to drive here, but take care. Some of the things are getting swampy from time to time, and I already had bathed my comical grasshopper in one of these things. This is my favorite jumping hill. You can use it for jumps from each side. This hill is for jumps grade 2, because you can pick up speed before you're jumping over the hill. Now it's time to leave the forest and go to the area where I usually drive my crawler. But this is the theme of my next video. So I'll show you some final impressions of the forest track. So, what do you think about this place? Write it down in the comments. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will really help me out. Thank you for watching and see you soon on RC Birds.